Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to this special episode. I'm going to introduce a new speaker for our Options Conclave 2.0 to be held in Dubai in September 28, 29, 30, Ritz-Carlton Hotel, DIFC. Many people actually ask me, sir, can you give us the details of the speakers and are they going to be known speakers? And I've myself been a speaker in many conferences and I've seen, in many conferences, same kind of people come and talk about the same thing. And I personally feel that they don't add value. Like you've got a stuff, I know one guy who follows some technical analysis, same technical analysis is speaking in every conference. So one conference you speak, the matter is over, right? At least we follow different strategies. We do straddles, we do strangles, we do ratio spreads, So we don't follow any, particular thing. So in one conference we can discuss straddles, one conference we can discuss triangles and so on. When I started this Options Conclave 2.0, so I decided not to feature any person who has already been appearing on some conferences. I just want to bring only the hidden gems. I launched my flagship program, a mentorship program, sometime in the month of March, and my first batch, I took about 10 people. There is one person, Mr. Srikanth, and I can tell you, he is the best among all the mentees. He picked up the things very, very well. So his favorite strategy is ratio spreads. So without wasting any time, let us talk to him. Hi Srikanth, how are you?
Hello sir, I'm fine.
Yeah. Srikanth, maybe you can tell us what is it you are going to share in Options Conclave 2 and why do you like ratio spreads compared to other strategies?
Yeah, I'm going to talk about my favorite strategy, which are ratio spreads in the Option Conclave 2.0. The reason very specific for my exceeding and also liking trading well in ratios, making it good in ratios is basically both strangles, straddles are non-directional strategies basically. So in non-directional strategies, the problem is like when you are non-directional, when you have a particular view of the market, then market goes in the opposite direction, it's very difficult to manage. And also, but in a ratio spread, what happens is when you do a strategy, if the your view goes right, then you are in profit. Even when your view goes wrong, you are not at a higher loss because you have a hedge of a buy in a ratio. So whatever the spread it is, in a ratio spread, you have a very strong buy as a hedge, which will minimize the losses and which is easy to manage even if it gets very bad.
Srikanth, most of the ultra HNI peoples, they do only ratio spreads.
Yes.
So that is because ratio spreads is one such strategy where large amount of money can be deployed with a minimum risk. So you tell me, Srikanth, you like to do ratio spread during high VIX environment or low VIX environment or in any environment?
Yeah, as I was telling you, so when you take a non-directional strategy, when the VIX is low and suddenly VIX jumps higher because of any specific event or something, then the premiums go high. And then your profits, even it's when your profits go down, because your profits go down because the VIX goes up. And in the opposite direction, when you take a strategy when the VIX is higher and VIX falls down, right, and your strategy goes wrong, it's you cannot manage it. But in a ratio spread, it's a kind of a strategy where you can do trade in any kind of environment, low VIX, high VIX. So VIX goes higher, also your profit margin won't decrease because you have both buy and also sell in the ratio spread. So that's the advantage of doing ratios in any environment, low VIX or high VIX.
One rapid fire question, Srikanth.
Sure.
You like Indian markets or US markets?
I like US markets more than the Indian markets because of several advantages linked with it.
Maybe you can throw some light on that. What are the advantages of trading in US markets?
Yeah, the foremost advantage in the US market is basically you can deploy whatever is your capital. The entire capital can be deployed in taking a trade, because the biggest advantage you have with in trading US markets is when you are the brokers give you a leverage at a very low cost of interest. So it's legal there. Our SEBI does not allow the brokers to provide leverage to the traders in India. But in the US market, whether you are trading with any broker, every broker can give you a leverage depending on your trading strategies, or on an average it's about 4x leverage which you get at a very, very low cost of interest, which is around 4%. And the second biggest advantage what I want to mention is, when you are trading US markets, especially the US derivatives outside US, in a country like UAE or in a country like Singapore, there is no tax which you have to pay, neither in the US nor if you are trading from either UAE or Singapore. So that's the biggest advantage, where the tax savings adds up to your profits.
Now, he shared few things, the full details and everything he will be sharing in Options Conclave 2.0, and I can assure you he is going to be one of the best speakers. And I can tell you there are only few mentees who do better than me, and he is one of them. Now I'm going to request Mr. Srikanth to show his trade performance for the last 1 month. And before he's showing you, if you are a weak-hearted person, so don't watch this. Now it's over to Srikanth. Can you please show us some trades that you have taken maybe last 1 month?
The strategy is ratios, both a call ratio and a put ratio together, where I have taken a call ratio, entered a trade, call ratio and a put ratio on 17th of June, wherein I entered both the call ratio and put ratio. And when the market went up, then I squared off my put ratio with a small profit of about $1,200. And then again I re-entered, because this is a fortnightly strategy. When the market again came down, I took another put ratio to the existing call ratio on 24th of June, and which I exited the existing call ratio as well as the new put ratio. Together I exited on the expiry day, which was 1st July, and the capital deployed for this is about $35,000, and the profit which I made out of this trade is about $10,500. So this is the kind of profits which we have been consistently making in the ratio spreads. So it's a non-directional, though it's a non-directional strategy. Two things, we keep on adjusting the strategies, which we'll be talking more during the conference. And again, the trade 2 which I entered after squaring off the trade 1, which was the first fortnight trade in the last 1 month. The second fortnight trade which I entered was on 1st of July, which 31st of July, wherein I took one more call ratio and a put ratio. And since the market went up, then I had this squared off my call ratio and again entered with a different strike price with a profit. We have taken another put ratio squaring off when the market went up on the next day. The total and exited all the ratios on 13th of July, and in the second day trade 2, the second fortnight trade, for a capital deployed of $35,000, we have made $11,000 as a profit, which is about 25% plus. And these are the consistent kind of profits which I have been making, so which you can see on the screen, the trades and executed. So this is what I have to tell about the strategies and the profits I have been making for the trades which I have done.
Srikanth, You made $20,000 profit on a capital of $35,000. That is more than 50%.
Yeah.
And the icing on the cake is that the entire 20,000 is for you, no need to pay any tax.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So I think now even I am excited to watch his presentation in Options Conclave 2, Ritz-Carlton, DIFC, Dubai. So please make sure you come and attend the conference and to get the full details about this ratio, the wonderful ratio. I can tell you, if you want to attend this conference, the phone numbers are given in the description, or you can see in the screen also. You can contact our office so you can register for the event. So hope to see you in Dubai on September 28. Thank you for watching.